Hi, today I'm excited to present to you a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process of purchasing your dream home. We have an expert team including mortgage specialists, home inspectors, and legal advisors who are dedicated to providing you with a smooth and successful home buying experience.
Here's what we will cover today: understanding your needs and goals, pre-qualification and mortgage options, the home search process, making an offer and negotiating, the due diligence period, closing the deal, and the post-purchase support.
We begin by understanding your unique needs and goals. We'll discuss your desired location, property type, size, and any specific features you're looking for in your new home. This initial consultation allows us to tailor our search to find properties that align with your preferences.
Next, we'll assess your financial situation to determine a suitable budget for your home purchase. This includes evaluating your income, savings, credit score, and pre-qualification process. By understanding your financial capacity, we can guide you toward the most appropriate mortgage options.
Our team will assist you in the pre-approval process, working closely with trusted mortgage specialists. This step provides you with a clear understanding of how much you can borrow and the interest rates available to you. Pre-approval strengthens your offer when you find your ideal home.
We'll discuss various mortgage options available to you, including conventional loans, FHA loans, VA loans, USDA loans, and other financing programs. Our experts will help you explore the pros and cons of each option, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals.
With your needs in mind, we'll employ effective strategies to find the perfect home for you. Our extensive network, access to multiple listing services, and knowledge of the local market will help us identify properties that meet your criteria. We'll schedule showings and accompany you on the property visits.
Prior to making an offer, we provide you with a comprehensive market analysis and a comprehensive market evaluation, CMA, to determine the fair market value of the property you're interested in. This analysis ensures that you make an informed decision when submitting an offer.
We'll guide you through the process of making an offer, taking into account factors such as the property's value, market conditions, and seller's motivation. Our goal is to present a compelling offer that stands out among the competition while protecting your interests.
Our experienced negotiating team will work diligently to secure the best possible terms and conditions for your purchase. We'll advocate for you during negotiation, including price adjustment, contingencies, and any additional terms that are important to you.
After your offer is accepted, we'll assist you in scheduling a professional home inspection to ensure the property is in good condition. We'll also guide you through the due diligence period, allowing you to review property documents, HOA regulations, and other necessary disclosures.
Now, if issues arise during the inspection or due diligence period, we'll help you navigate the process of addressing contingencies. Our team will provide guidance and negotiate with the seller to reach a mutual beneficial solution.
As we approach the closing phase, our team will work closely with all parties involved, including lenders, attorneys, and title companies, to ensure a smooth and timely transaction. We'll coordinate the necessary paperwork, conduct final walkthroughs, and provide support throughout the closing process.
Our commitment to you extends beyond the closing. We'll be here to address any questions or concerns that may arise after you move into your new home. Whether you need recommendations for local services or guidance on a property-related matter, our team is just a phone call away.
Thank you for joining us today. We're excited to be your trusted partners in this home buying journey. If you have any questions or are ready to get started, please feel free to contact us using the information provided in this video. We look forward to assisting you in finding your dream home.
Thank you for watching our buyer's presentation. If you found this information valuable, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. We're here to support you every step of the way because every day is a great day to buy or sell a house.